Here we have a crazy bus driver who cuts us up. And this also is on the 25th of the 9th. So we're having a good day that day. And let's just see what happens. So you can see that we're approaching a roundabout. This is in Hinckley. And we're on the left-hand lane. In a few seconds you'll see a shadow appear. Just in the next lane, on the right-hand lane. There it is. You see that shadow there? So we're in the left lane and it goes around like this, and the right hand lane goes around like that. These two lanes, they merge as you come off of the roundabout. So this shadow is now a bus. We can just see him in the side of the thing there. And he's going to now force his way over, making us slow right down so that he can get into the space. So he's a good bus driver. He's a very good bus driver. In fact, he's that good, he's got himself one car length further down the road. So I hope he's proud of himself. I wouldn't be.